This is Gianna, and this cat loves to go outside. She used to love going outside when we lived back in Missouri, and then when we sold our house last spring, we lived in a small apartment, and there wasn't really a good outside area. So she was not very happy for about 8 or 9 months. And then we came down here, and Billy put a fence around what we call the cat yard, so they can come out. It's about 27 degrees. She's a white cat, but mostly now she's kind of a brownish because she loves to roll around like what you see right here in the dirt. Loves, loves, loves being out here. You ready to go in? Is it cold? Yeah? Is it cold? She doesn't care that it's cold. She wants to be out here in the fresh air. Come on. Let's go in. Let's see. These are temporary steps until we're able to get some landscaping done and get dirt moved up against the house, and then we'll build more permanent steps. The other two cats also love going outside. That's Zoe. And I don't know where Sophie is right now. Sophie! She's around here somewhere. It's too cold for her to go out. She knows. She's like, that's crazy. I'm not going out in that cold. Now she wants to go out. We'll see how long she wants to stay out. Again, we have a lot of landscaping that we need to do in here. We're going to bring some dirt in. It snowed last night, which is a rare occurrence for South Alabama, but it happened. We'd hoped we left all the snow behind in Missouri, but apparently we did not. It's the cats. They love the outside. Here's Sophie. Wanna go? Come on. Let's go outside. It's like, well, it's cold, but I guess I'll go. Zoe's under that chair. That's Gianna and that's Sophie. Is it cold out here? Come on. Wanna come in? Come on, it's really cold. Come on, babies. Come on. Come on, Sophie. Come on. Come on. I'm getting ready to eat dinner. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, Sophie's in. Come on, Zoe. Come on, Zoe. Hey, come on. No? Come on, hurry up. It's cold. I'm not heating the whole world. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Take your time. Yeah. It's warmer in here.